Good morning this morning. A little bit of a windy day on the start of day 2. But I cannot start my day. Still need to comb this. I cannot start my day without my Aletas rusks and my, just check here. My Nespresso coffee. For me now, before we start, Nespresso coffee, 2 or 3 Aletas rusks, pecan. For me, that's the winner out of the Trans Africa Bush Kitchen. So let's make coffee. Let's start this day. And we still don't know where we're going to go. So we're going to take the map and the book and plot the nicest route. Not the best, the nicest route for today. So join us. Start these choppers. Let's go do day 2 of Cape Town to Jozi. Jozi to Cape Town. Gravel roads only. Let's go. So this is the first leg of our journey this morning. So from where we're Frankfurt now, Pecan Grove. We're going to take this route to all the way through this back roads to Senekal. I think we're going to go through, what's this little town's name here? Yeah, but we're going to miss it. It's this one here. Pieterstein, but maybe we'll just jump into Pieterstein if it's not too far. But yeah, this is where we're gonna go, man. Let's do this. Start the choppers. Let's fly. So then, more than often on this route, I think we're gonna find this. So the GPS wants to route me to Fonteinkie. It says it's a road, secondary road. But then you get boards like this. Please note, this is not the road to Clarence. This is private property. Turn back to Tar Road. So now on the Bulla.
There's been a few people
listen, we're not on our road to Clarence. So maybe we can drive this. No, I don't want to go there and then maybe 50, 60 k's in. There's a gate that is locked. So decisions, my broer. Let's flip the coin. Bring the coin. Let's flip the coin. So this is my heads or tails. It's an elephant. There's the tails and there's the heads. Right, Bella, flip it.
Heads we go right.
Heads? No, heads we go left.
Heads we go left.
Tails we go right.
Let's do that.
Flip them. Let's see.
Heads.
So we're gonna go left.
They say not to go.
But we're not going to Clarence. So let's see. Let's do this. Although this one looks like a much nicer road. This one borders on, this might become 4x4. But there's only one way to find out. Let's do it. So now we took the Fonteinkie road. And it seems like there's our first little bit of Fonteinkie water in the road. So I just have this niggling feeling that somewhere we're gonna get a gate with a big ass lock on it. But I might be wrong. Let's see, Bella, let's see. Maybe we go through on Fonteinkie Road. Maybe
4x4 no.
4x4. Ubuntu is mos 4x4. You must see the grap if we get stuck here.
This is why we drive it.
Yeah. Let's engage 4x4, diff lock, anti-slip, anti-traction control. So yeah, let's see where Fonteinkie takes us. Beautiful landscapes with all these cattles. Man, this is lekker. Let's fly. So now I understand that board, Bella. Because the GPS says straight, eh? You're straight. So luckily there he goes now. The farmer himself came here and he said, let me show you a lekker road to Tweeling. But so turnaround time for us, Bella.
Let's go.
So the coin wasn't telling us. But I think part and parcel what makes that trip is stories and things like this now. The board is there for a reason. Listen to the board, don't listen to the coin. But all part of fun and games, Bella.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, now we're gonna try a new road.
Yeah, now we're gonna see a new road. At least we've been to Fonteinkie.
And we saw this.
Yeah.
That plaza is
But
roads.
we make these mistakes so you don't have to.
Yep.
So let's go. Arrivari.
Let's go.
So if the board says turn around, you cannot go to Clarence, they must tell this board also right, or Cape Town. You cannot go this part. So yeah, let's short left. Let's go to wherever this road goes. Arrivari! Let's do this.
Dust on the wheels, gravel roads call Trans-Africa tours. We're ready for it all. 3x4 beasts roaring through the wild unknown, overlanding free where the wild winds blow. Start, die, choppers, engines ignite, hit the African trails into the light. Campfires glowing under starry skies, wildlife roaming as the sunset dies. Tracks through baobab trees, elephants trumpeting in the evening breeze, lions in the distance, giraffes standing tall, adventure's heartbeat answering the call. Start, die, choppers, engines ignite, hit the African trails into the light. Campfires glowing under starry skies, wildlife roaming as the sunset dies. No 2 days the same, from dawn's golden rise to the fire.
So yet again another piece of tar road, as so often yet, like this one is 5 k's into town. So let's go to Pietersstein, eh, Bella? Let's go see if maybe there's a polka dot coffee pot or something like that, eh? Let's go check, maybe it's open. If not, we're putting pies in the oven.
I afval pies.
Hey, what I'll show you. Oh, let's see, maybe it's open, but yeah, it feels strange to drive on a tar road again. We almost crave the next dirt road, gravel road. But let's go check out Pietersstein. First fuel stop on this trip in a beautiful little place called Pietersstein, man. So filling up the journey. But let's go check out what this looks like. Well, what does it look like here? Stories. So let's go check what it looks like inside here for Pietersstein. So Bella says we can eat here. Yeah, no, for sure. No, for sure, Bella. No, we found our eating spot for the morning. So you know my plan. Gonna call you a little bit later, but now it's chow time in Pietersstein. Yeah. This is absolutely not fair, ne? This is not fair, Bala. He's having a milkshake, not a milkshake, yeah, a condensed milk milkshake, ne? So, and me. Cappuccino. Voilà. Looks at there on the other side. Yeah. And listen, I've ordered a pop burger. It's deep fried pop, salsa, maize meal with egg and bacon and all of that. Check this out. Never seen, never heard something like that. But we're gonna see now.
Watch the space.
Now listen here, I've had many things in my life, but I've never had a pop burger. So what this actually is deep fried pop. Check this out. This is pop that's made into a patty, and then they deep fried it with bacon and all of those johnnies. I promise you, this is gonna be next level. But let me taste test it. Like I say, It's all in the taste. But have you ever seen a pap burger? Deep fried pap. Sure. We struck gold in Pietersstein. Check here, ne? Pure gold. So this is Rimland, the Sassel garage. Check the pure gold we have struck. So guess what we're buying tonight? Pure gold.
Luckily it's my turn to
in Rimland, yeah, in Pietersstein. We found gold in this next level. What do you truck stop, road stop, country stop. Can't wait to buy tonight. So if you're ever close to Pietersstein, come get some yellow gold at Rimland. But not only that, the fridges are full. There's fridges full of Kimunati Kaufela Johnnies. Let's go, Bulla. The gravel roads are calling. Let's go, let's go. And how beautiful is this for Pietersstein? Yeah, the Rimland. So beautiful gardens. This is unbelievable. Beautiful. But now we're gonna go check out the little town of Pietersstein to see what Pietersstein is all about. But beautiful, beautiful entrance to Rimland. Hubbala. I'm blown away, my bro. I'm blown away. So Pietersstein, there's the name of the town. Well done, boykies. Well done. I think both me and Bella at this stage are really blown away by Pietersstein. I didn't expect a lot in Pietersstein. Really didn't.
I thought it was going to be a drive-through door.
Yeah, like a one-horse town little dorpy, but the initial, wow. There's a okay. Let me show you.
Houses.
There's a okay. This is like the main route into town, looks like, into Pietersstein. But again, just check the sidewalks. Beautiful trees. The lawns are cut. So no. Pietersstein, well done. We are blown away. This will definitely feature on our route, our Josie to Cape Town gravel roads route. Pietersstein is definitely have to. Pat yourself on the back, boys and girls. You are doing good. Check net hier. Bulla, it has started, my bro. I told you that if these roads are going to get water, ne, it's going to be fun and games. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah, wat easy. Yeah, wat Ubuntu. Yeah, wat, this is lekker, man. Hubbala.
Could have idled it through.
Yes, see, this is lekker, man. Gravel roads like this to Cape Town, this is what we live for. Sure. That's what it's all about. So, taking it slowly, man. Not many things in life tell you that you are in the Free State, in Millie country like these Johnnies. These are the silos and they are riddled all over the Free State. So this is what they use to store the grain. So where we are traveling now, just check this lekker road, né? Where we are traveling now, this is, you get a lot of these silos. And this is how you know you are in Free State. But Bella, how lekker is it so far, huh? And this is where the silo master, where every of these big silos are, there's always a silo master staying close by. Lekker trucks fire, Bella. Ja, lekker trucks fire. Prickly pears, man, prickly pears. So, let's continue. I think part of this road trip, man, it brings us to places we did not even know existed. Huh, Bella? Edenville. In mooi geleë. Most probably just farm names. But nonetheless, man, And it just started to like softly drizzle now. So now we're gonna go check out what Edenville is. Most probably it's a farm, but again, a nice crossroad to that side, and nice crossroad. It just, oh, not in the back. Nice crossroad to that side.
But we are going
No,
straight.
we are going straight. We're gonna go check out Edenville. Never heard of a place like Edenville.
Start these chocolates.
Let's go see what Edenville is all about. So just check here, me and Billa, as we came down here, I said to him, yes Billa, kyk there, planted lavender. And we were like, I can't believe they planting lavender. No. Let me just lighten it up a little bit. Kyk daar, so just how beautiful this is, huh? Looks like lavender, but it's some kind of a beautiful flower. So you can still check flowers in South Africa even if it's not flower seasons. Just get off the tar roads and you will see many beautiful things. And on this road trip, I live for spots in tracks like this. Check now where we're going into here now. This is like proper deep bush. So this is what makes this road trip so moer lekker. Is beautiful places on a route like this. Man, well, I likes it, man.
Likes it.
Yes, see, this is looks like poplar. Afrikaans is populier bome. But this is what makes this road trip so special and so lekker. There's places we see that we would have never ever have seen under normal tar road driving circumstances. Man, this is lekker to drive like this. Old barn. And this is deep Free State. But how lekker and beautiful is this? I just had to stop here. I'm almost to the point of I'm full for Bliksembille. Check this. Yo, how beautiful is this? And this is most probably the 100th stop today. Just stopping, just taking it in. I can't tell you how privileged we are to call South Africa our home. Get off the tar roads. Get on the byways and the sideways. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you when we came over this ridge. See, it makes like a little ridge there. We came over this ridge. This is what we saw. I'm going to turn it around. So the camera doesn't do it quite justice. But this is the vast open spaces of the Free State. Openness as far as the eye can see. And it's just unbelievable, this beautiful grondpaadjies. And I am so glad, so happy we eventually did this tour, because this is an absolute eye-opener for me. And I'm going to do this so much more in the future. Explore our beautiful country off the beaten track, because this is where the hidden beauty lies. Not the N2s, the N3s, the N1s. Get on the dirt roads. But let's see where this road takes us. In another Bliksem, this is beautiful place. But like I said, the camera just doesn't do it justice. The serenity, the peace, the lekkerness. Let's go see what's in store in front. And again, one of those Bliksem. This is beautiful places. So this is on a little bridge. Let me just show you. This is on a... I honestly have to go check on the map or the GPS to tell you where this is. Listen to the Piet my vrou. There's a Piet my vrou somewhere in these trees. So that's the bird that calls rain. But again, just somewhere, and this place is just so serene, so beautiful, so quiet. Yeah. It's like Bulle said, I wish you can be here to listen to the stream, the Piet my vrou, and just take a moment and just take it in. Enjoy it. This is our country. This is South Africa. This is beautiful. And this is Ubuntu. Bulle, how's this trip so far?
No, it's next level.
Unbelievable.
I almost want to say I'll take this over Botswana trip.
I kind of, we're going to do this so much more. Explore the beauty of the beaten track in our own country. Unreal beautiful.
This is one of the roads.
This is one of the roads. There's thousands of these roads. No, for sure. And I think part of how we're doing it now, the lacker part for me is, Bulle, we don't have to be somewhere. We can stop here, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. Just chill here, just take it in. And I think that is the beauty and the magic of this trip, is
Escaping the rush of
just be.
everything.
Just be, just like
Some people,
enjoy it.
you're on holiday, but you still want to rush to your destination.
Nothing. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the Piet my vrou. Enjoy the sound of the stream. I wish I can just tell people how much this means to me. And just being with you. Just being with you. Just be. Yes. I recommend this for any father and son. Over 1,000 times. Just go do it.
Just do it.
Lekker,
I wanna
man.
take my kids on this same trip.
Bulle, I like it, man. I like it. But let's enjoy this for a while, and then we'll be on our merry way. Lekker, man. So this is one of those places that we come off the insane beautiful road that we've just been on. So this is as much tar road as we get, because we're gonna just stop here and then hop right over the tar road. There's just a car coming from that side. So there's the board. Let me just zoom a little bit. Yeah, focus. Steinserus, Lindley, but we don't want to go to Steinserus or Lindley.
We're going to Komspruit.
We're going to Komspruit, straight over. Right, let's go. So if you do this tour that we're doing now, expect a few of these journeys. Ubuntu, ready to go. Hey, but we can go nowhere. There's the lock. And there's the lock. But you cannot go anywhere. But the GPS and the maps, they show when I was straight. But I was straight. Bulle, there's no way we're going straight here. So turn around, backtrack a little bit. Let's go see. There must be another route. But expect a few of these journeys, because we're driving blind. We're driving, if the GPS says Verdile straight. So let's turn around, Bulle. That's what makes this so interesting and lekker, né? It's like you don't know the next 10 kilometers what is gonna be there.
Never know.
We are so close to where we want to go, but it still seems so far. But let's backtrack a little bit. Let's go see. Find another road, man. Arvari. So, Bulle, open us some ditsum, nee. Just show them proper ditsum. Karoo, packed. Droewors, because I see this is gonna, hierdie dag gaan nog lank raak. Let's eat something, nee. Because now we have to backtrack. At least not very much, like 5 or 6 kilometers. Let me turn it around. So this is the dead end. So now we're gonna take that blue road, gravel. I have to take that now. Let's see where we go to. But this is all part of the fun and games, man. This is what it's all about. Adventure! Let's go. So, Bulle, If you have to rate this drovers out of 10, eh?
Yo.
Honest opinion, honest, brutal honest.
I'd give it a definitely a 10.
Listen, for me, 12 out of 10. This did some Johnny's, nee. Vacuum packed, sealed, took it out.
Like just now before the video started, I told my friend that Gerdus knows his stuff.
Nou dit some, nee. Do yourself a favor, order your dit some. You'll thank me later because this is Kimunati cow fella. Yellow fat. Just check this, Johnny, nee. Pot course of the best. But anyways, this is the route. I think there was a board.
Let's try again.
I think there was a board there a long time ago. But let's reroute again.
Second one of the day.
Second one of the day. Dood loop. But let's see where this one goes to. We came to this gates, nee, and me and Bella was like, nee, we camping here tonight, huh, Bella? And Bella said, but don't worry, there's a camera, somebody will come quickly, nee. And check net hier. Hier kom die man van die hek, nee. So, this guy's got remote for this gate. And now we can go to Aldam tonight. Dankie papa, baie dankie. Hoorie, julle kameras werk. Don't come steal. Yeah. They're on you like now. They're watching. So baie dankie papa, baie dankie. How lekker was that now to meet Reinhard, nee? Quick. We were not even there like
we
3
were making
minutes.
a joke looking at the camera saying,
Yeah, they're gonna bop us now. And then 2 minutes, Reinhard stopped there and says, George, I follow you. So, how lekker to meet Reinhard. Reinhard, thank you so much, my bro. Baie dankie. So, we're on the route again. Let's go.
let's start in choppers.
Yeah.
Aldam.
Let's come. Let's go. Okay, bye. Just like that. It is heeltyd speeltyd. Huh, Bella?
Yes.
Ja, slip and sliding.
Slip and slide.
Lekker rain, but this is that turf, almost like Hunter's Road turf, papa. But all fun and games, man. Huh, Bella?
Now we're taking this one by the hole.
Yes, see, this is lekker, man.
Just so
Only-
before the campsite.
Only 14 k's to go, but lekker speeltyd, man. But all that this is Ubuntu is now dirty. It looks like a paw by paw.
But what a day to end, or what a way to end the day.
Lekker reën. So
Yes.
Aldam 14 k's. But check this lekker little bridge thingy.
The Sand River.
Is it Sand River, this one? Over the Sand River. So I'm going to show you now. Yeah. This is the Sand River. Little bridge thingy. Let me just open this window. Beautiful Sand River. Lyk dit daar by jou kant, Bella. So again, one of those beautiful places. So let's go look for Aldam, man. Renat, man. Ek gaan smelt.
Oh, and we saw jacaras.
Yeah, we saw chakalas.
Running over there.
But beautiful Vrystaat scenes. Unbelievable. So we have a ribbon at Aldam. Where are you going now, Bella?
Charlotte's 1 tot 31.
Oh, Charlotte's 1 tot 31 is hierbo. We have a ribbon at Aldam. But just check the beautiful dam. Ek weet nog nie of jy hom kan sien nie.
Yes.
No, you can't see them. Maak op by venster, man, Bella, man. Wow, is genoeg so. Wys daar 'n bietjie daar uit, man.
Show you.
Nee, die wind gaan baie.
Oh, okay, net so.
Ja, is net so. Die wind gaan baie. So now we're looking for Charlotte number 18.
1-8.
Number 18.
Yes, groot dam.
This is beautiful, huh, Bella?
Ja.
Check jy. Waar sien ons die nommers? Hier 6.
Number 6.
Number 6. Ja, daai Obraai, Vrystaater. Kyk maar sy nommerplaat.
In die koue met 'n handdoek om die lyf, maar
Braai sal ons braai.
Nice Charlotte.
En so kyk net hoe mooi is die dam. Show them here. There's the Aldam. of the Allemanskraaldam. Nee. Ja, wat jy jong daai. So Charlotte number 18. Julle moet maar verskoon. Please excuse our camera skills. Ons is maar aan die wille kant met dit, jong. We mik en druk. I think we're close now and we're going to have a beautiful dam view. But we'll show you now. Let's just find our Charlotte. So Bella, if your cruiser doesn't look like this, nee, then you didn't have a proper Free State in the rain road trip, nee. But let's quickly go check what our Charlotte looks like. But beautiful dam view. Damn, this is beautiful. Let's go see. And we're gonna braai now. Maak hom oop, broer, maak hom oop. Because I have to take video and check the traps. Because if you don't check the traps here. So this is the view. Nee broer, kyk hier, now we're exploring lekker. This is our view. James. And I've seen Aldam Resort 1,000 times driving on the N1, eh? But
if you're a fisherman, this is your spot.
Trust the fisherman.
Yes. And just look at India.
Moor. This is home for tonight. So what do you want more, Bella? We're gonna braai now. You've got ammunition block with a squatter club. Nee?
Talk about.
So this is Aldam. Can't wait to braai a vleisie. There's our braaier. So we're gonna braai most probably in the rain. But so be it. I need to braai that yellow fat steaks of the Free State. So Bella, what is a Free State braai, ne?
Yeah.
Without the golden sunset. But again, this camera doesn't do it justice, ne? And lekker thunderstorm. And this Steinsrus. Absolute pure gold from Steinsrus, ne?
And you can't even see the butter yellow.
It looks like butter has been slapped on here, ne? And Master Braaier, Bulle, aka Christian, aka Trans-Africa Bush Gear Braaier, ne? So this is how we end another day of the gravel road Josie to Cape Town. On the beautiful Aldam. But from us, from Trans-Africa Tours and Bush Gear, over and out. Tomorrow is another day. Ne, Bella?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
With this rain, you're going to see tomorrow's roads.
You're going to see.
Yo.
But I can't believe we are buying yellow gold in the Free State. Free State yellow
like those
gold.
Those Johnnies that you get only in Namibia and Botswana.
Yeah,
those
we found them.
Only see on the video.
We found them.
Now they're here.
So arrivari, ne? Cheers.
Arrivari.
Over and out. Catch you on the flip side.
God bless.
God bless.